Black Friday is underway, and I'm going to review almost every product that I have that's in my possession. And starting with the Kiwi Ears Forteza. They're on sale for $47. I did a lengthy unboxing about these IEMs a few months back, and I was completely wrong about the sound or the tuning. So let me explain. So there's an APK on the Play Store called Wavelet that allows you to specifically EQ any headphone or IEM depending on which brand. And there's plenty of videos on Wavelet, so I never really wanted to do a video on it because, it's already been done to death. So when I was unboxing these and I was going through, the music files, I was trying to get I was trying to figure out what the sound quality was. Was it U-shaped? Was it W-shaped? Was it V-shaped? Was it flat, balanced, neutral, bright neutral, etc., etc.? It sounded very flat to me, but that is not necessarily the case with these. And the reason why, because I had an EQ set in Wavelet for the Truth Ear Hexa. Now these are flat, so that's why these sounded flat. So if you were ever wondering, can you change the sound of your IEMs? Oops, now you know. So how is the sound quality on the Forteza? It's a warm V-shaped sound. That's what they sound like. And they follow the Harman target curve. So let me elaborate on the sound a bit. In the low end, there's an emphasis to the bass from about 200 hertz to around 1000 hertz. It's flat to ensure the vocal clarity and to make the instrument sound natural. There is a slight dip around 2000 to 3000 hertz that prevents harshness and fatigue, so you can listen to them for a long time. And I do like these, just to casually listen to music. Now, frequencies above 10,000 hertz, they're rolled off to prevent excessive brightness and sibilance. And from 3,000 to 10,000 hertz, I should have wrote that first, there is a rise in the treble to ensure the detail and clarity in the lower to mid treble range. So long story short, the Kiwi Ears Forteza is a warm V-tuning with boosted bass that sounds dynamic and energetic, and it works well with EDM music, pop music, and rap music. Now, at the reduced price, I'm not really confident in recommending these to my audience because we're slowly approaching 2025, and there are already several sets on the market, such as the CCA CXS, the TRN ST5, the 7Hz Zero, the Moondrop Chew, and even the SimGot EW200. I had him set up on Black Oster here. So I wouldn't recommend these because there are better sets by Kiwi Ears and there are a lot of cheaper sets by other brands. But if you're interested in buying these, it does come with a carrying case. This came standard with it. There's also 3 different types of silicone tips, but they're all balanced tips. I didn't use Spin Fit with these. One gripe I do have is before I started recording this video, I'm trying to detangle the cable, and the cable has kept on getting tangled. So don't like this doo-doo cable. Pretty easy to drive. I've been using the periodic audio rhodium DAC here, so you can use it with your smartphone. Got plenty of accessories. All I'm saying is I got other IEMs that kind of blow these out of the water. So yeah, I just want to get this review out the way and get my thoughts on it. So this has been the review of the Kiwi Ears Forteza IEMs, 2 dynamic drivers and 1 BA, $47 on Amazon because Black Friday. If you want them, go get them. If you're not, just move somewhere. Just move on. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one.